In the cozy ambiance of their kitchen, James and Sophia found themselves engaged in a flavorful conversation that revolved around their favorite dishes and the art of cooking. With the aroma of spices wafting through the air and the sizzle of pans on the stove, they delved into the intricacies of culinary delights and the joy of creating delicious meals.
Sophia, as we indulge in the pleasures of cooking, have you ever pondered the deeper connections between our favorite dishes and the culinary techniques used to prepare them?
Absolutely, James. Each dish tells a story not just through its flavors but also through the techniques and traditions passed down through generations. Whether it's mastering the perfect balance of spices in a curry or achieving the ideal texture in a pasta dish, there's an art to cooking that makes every meal a culinary adventure. What are your thoughts on this?
Question. Sophia, amidst the aroma of spices in our kitchen, do you believe there's a profound connection between favorite dishes and the culinary techniques used to prepare them? A. Share personal experiences highlighting the significance of culinary techniques in enhancing the flavors and textures of favorite dishes. B. Engage in a reflective dialogue exploring the cultural and historical influences on favorite dishes and cooking methods. C. Express curiosity about the broader implications of culinary traditions, inviting Sophia to ponder various perspectives.
Answer. B. Engage in a reflective dialogue exploring the cultural and historical influences on favorite dishes and cooking methods.
Sophia, option B encourages us to engage in a reflective dialogue exploring the cultural and historical influences on favorite dishes and cooking methods. Sophia, I believe our favorite dishes are not only a reflection of personal taste but also a celebration of culinary traditions passed down through generations. Whether it's the rich spices of Indian cuisine or the delicate flavors of Japanese sushi, each dish carries with it a story of cultural heritage and culinary craftsmanship that adds depth to our dining experience.
Impressed by James's perspective, Sophia nodded in agreement, appreciating the cultural significance embedded within their favorite dishes.
James, as we savor the flavors of our favorite cuisines, do you think it's the use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients or the mastery of cooking techniques that elevates a dish to excellence? Question. James, as we relish our favorite cuisines, do you believe it's the use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients or the mastery of cooking techniques that elevates a dish to excellence? A. Delve into the importance of both fresh ingredients and cooking techniques in elevating the flavors and quality of dishes, fostering a deeper understanding. B. Challenge the dichotomy between fresh ingredients and cooking techniques, prompting James to consider alternative perspectives. C. Share personal anecdotes to stimulate James's thoughts on the subject.
Answer. A. Delve into the importance of both fresh ingredients and cooking techniques in elevating the flavors and quality of dishes, fostering a deeper understanding.
James, option A, delves into the importance of both fresh ingredients and cooking techniques in elevating the flavors and quality of dishes, fostering a deeper understanding of culinary excellence?
Sophia, I believe it's the harmonious combination of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and skillful cooking techniques that truly elevates a dish to excellence. While high-quality ingredients provide the foundation for flavor, it's the mastery of cooking methods like grilling, sautéing, or braising that enhances the natural tastes and textures, transforming ordinary ingredients into extraordinary culinary experiences.
Impressed by James's comprehensive perspective, Sophia nodded in agreement, recognizing the symbiotic relationship between ingredients and cooking techniques in creating exceptional dishes.
James, as we explore the intricacies of cooking, do you think it's the innovation of modern culinary trends or the preservation of traditional recipes that keeps our passion for food alive? Question. James, as we delve into the world of cooking, do you believe it's the innovation of modern culinary trends or the preservation of traditional recipes that keeps our passion for food alive? A. Discuss the significance of both modern culinary trends and traditional recipes in enriching our culinary experiences, encouraging a holistic viewpoint. B. Challenge the dichotomy between modern trends and traditional recipes, prompting James to consider alternative perspectives. C. Share personal anecdotes to gauge James's response to the question.
Answer. A. Discuss the significance of both modern culinary trends and traditional recipes in enriching our culinary experiences, encouraging a holistic viewpoint.
James, option A, discusses the significance of both modern culinary trends and traditional recipes in enriching our culinary experiences, encouraging a holistic viewpoint.
Sophia, I believe it's the blend of innovation and tradition that keeps our passion for food alive. While modern culinary trends introduce us to new flavors and techniques, it's the timeless appeal of traditional recipes that connects us to our roots and preserves cultural heritage. By embracing both, we can create a diverse and dynamic culinary landscape that celebrates the past while embracing the future.
Impressed by James's balanced perspective, Sophia nodded in agreement, appreciating the richness and diversity of culinary experiences.
Sophia, as we continue to explore the joys of cooking, may our shared love for food and culinary adventures continue to enrich our lives and deepen our connection with each other.
James and Sophia embraced the warmth of their conversation, knowing that amidst the aroma of spices and the sizzle of pans, they had embarked on a journey of culinary exploration and shared appreciation for the art of cooking. Here are 5 words and phrases related to the theme of culinary delights.
Culinary techniques. Various methods and practices used in cooking and food preparation, such as chopping, sautéing, baking, and grilling, to achieve desired flavors, textures, and presentations. Cultural heritage. The traditions, customs, and practices passed down through generations within a particular cultural or ethnic group, often reflected in culinary traditions and recipes.
Symbiotic relationship. a mutually beneficial association or interaction between two elements, such as fresh ingredients and cooking techniques, that enhances the quality and flavors of dishes. Extraordinary culinary experiences. Memorable and exceptional dining experiences that go beyond the ordinary, often characterized by innovative flavors, creative presentations, and impeccable execution.
Dynamic culinary landscape. The ever-evolving and diverse world of food and cuisine, influenced by factors such as cultural exchange, globalization, and culinary innovation, that offers a wide range of culinary experiences and possibilities.